Ethereum value equivalent to 33,771 rands a coin. The present cost range, 33,325, 33,816. The earlier day close, 33,442. The change was plus 329. Plus 0.98%. Opposite rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, July 24. Cost 33,041 rands. High 35,354. Low 30,728. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 33,039 rands. High 35,352. Low 30,726. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26. Cost 33,202 rands. High 35,526. Low 30,878. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, July 27. Cost 32,715 rands. High 35,005. Low 30,425. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, July 28. Cost 32,400 rands. High 34,668. Low 30,132. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, July 31. Cost 32,498 rands. High 34,773. Low 30,223. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1. Cost 31,976 rands. High 34,214. Low 29,738. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 2. Cost 31,221 rands. High 33,406. Low 29,036. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 3. Cost 29,674 rands. High 31,751. Low 27,597. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, August 4. Cost 31,805 rands. High 34,031. Low 29,579. In about 14 days Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 7. Cost 31,249 rands. High 33,436. Low 29,062. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 31,735 rands. High 33,956. Low 29,514. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 32,244 rands. High 34,501. Low 29,987. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, August 10. Cost 32,016 rands. High 34,257. Low 29,775. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, August 11. Cost 31,905 rands. High 34,138. Low 29,672. In 3 weeks Ethereum conjecture on Monday, August 14. Cost 32,322 rands. High 34,585. Low 30,059. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 31,418 rands. High 33,617. Low 29,219. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 31,256 rands. High 33,444. Low 29,068. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, August 17. Cost 30,705 rands. High 32,854. Low 28,556. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, August 18. Cost 30,911 rands. High 33,075. Low 28,747. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Cost 31,415 rands. High 33,614. Low 29,216. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 31,636 rands. High 33,851. Low 29,421. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 33,484 rands. Excessive cost 37,818. while low cost 32,870. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,879. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 35,344. Change for November 5.6%. Ethereum figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 35,344 rands. Excessive cost 41,716. While low cost 35,344. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 37,848. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 38,987. Change for December 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 38,987 rands. Excessive cost 44,446. While low cost 38,630. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 40,900. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 41,538. Change for January 6.5%. Ethereum figure for February 2024. Initially cost at 41,538 rands. Excessive cost 51,557. While low cost 41,538. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 45,704. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 48,184. Change for February 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 48,184 rands. Excessive cost 48,184. While low cost 40,980. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 45,353. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 44,065. Change for spring 8.5%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2024. Before all else cost at 44,065 rands. Excessive cost 47,904. While low cost 41,636. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 44,594. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 44,770. Change for April 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. In the first place cost at 44,770 rands. Exorbitant cost 55,568. While low cost 44,770. The found the middle value of cost 49,260. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 51,933. Change for May 16.0%. Ethereum estimate for June 2024. To start with cost at 51,933 rands. Exorbitant cost 51,933. While low cost 43,825. The found the middle value of cost 48,704. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 47,124. Change for June 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. To start with cost at 47,124 rands. Exorbitant cost 48,000.